Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5017328. So if you are unable to install this update and if you are receiving this error code, that is 0x8007000d. So if you are receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video.
The first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to system and then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Over here you can see Windows update, click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Now find Windows Update in the list. At the end here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now once done, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click over here. Set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. With Background Intelligent Transfer Service selected over here, now click on restart the service. Now once done, now update your Windows 11 once again. Still you are facing the problem, then use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant and click on accept and install and let the update complete. Now if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case you can go to the download location. So go to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click, then click on Properties and then go to Compatibility and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list. Click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click over here and launch Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now still you are unable to update, then use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can update the update manually. So go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now enter the name of the update. So this is the update, that is KB5017328. Click on search. Now over here you can see the update. Now this is the right one, x64 base system, this one Windows 11. So download this. You can check the system type, go to settings and then go to system and then go to about, and over here you can see my system is x64 based. So this is the one, Windows 11 x64 base system. Click on download. Now you will see this screen. Now click on this hyperlink and let the download complete. Now when you click on it, if nothing happens, then make a right click, then click on save link as, and you can set the location as desktop. Save, go to desktop and then make a double click and then download. So when nothing happens when you click over here, but once you click over here, if it start downloading, then you don't have to save the link. So once the download is complete, run this file and install the update manually. Now still you are unable to install, in that case run this Windows Update Components command. So reset Windows Update Component. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Now type in Notepad in Windows search box, open Notepad, paste all the command in Notepad and then go to file, click on save as. You can set the location as desktop Name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Over here you can see this wuauserv.bat file. Make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Now once all the scan is complete, it will restart Windows update services. And once the process is complete, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart, update your Windows 11 once again. Next step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.